What is up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be installing a counterweight in the Super Duty seats. If you have a F450, I think it's only the dualies or above, they have weights in the seat, in the passenger seat, so when nobody's sitting there it doesn't rattle around. I'm going to show you guys how to replace that counterweight. Here's the part number. There's the part number. It's only like 80 bucks, so let's see here. Alright guys, so basically what you do, there's going to be these two straps on each side. They go under the seat. Let's see if I can show you guys. They go under the seat and they hook up right there. They hook on these things right here. So you take those two straps off, and then there's two zippers on each side of the seat. As you can see, I already undone them, but basically I'd use a hook pick like this. Be careful, don't hook the seat when you're trying to get these, because you can come off of the zipper part and hook the seat and rip them, scratch them, whatever. Obviously this is a King Ranch, so we don't want to scratch this. This is probably like $800 for this new seat cover. But basically you get this up with this. We're gonna take the headrest out because it is up here. It's further up in the thing, so we need to probably take the headrest out. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. There we go, got the headrest out. I know sometimes it says to take these things out too, but we're gonna see. Alright, so fold this up, try to get it out of your way. You see right here, there's some push pins. We're gonna get this one out. Try not to break them. Alright, let's see here. If we look here, see, we pull this thing up and look, there it is. It's right there. And there it is. Honestly, I don't even think we could probably just work around this. Just try not to stretch out this leather too much. See, look, this thing's just completely broken. I'll show you guys that new part, and you'll see it. And the weight is actually pretty heavy too. It's probably like a pound or two. But see, this is what it looks like, and you see it has just those two rubber, like, I don't know, they would be like isolators pretty much, so it doesn't vibrate anything. And it's like a weight just keeps the seat from vibrating, you know? So I'm gonna get this other one out. We're gonna put this one in. And I'm gonna show you guys put it back together too. Let's see how these. With the old one, we don't even care. You just break it off. Just get it off, you know, who cares how it comes off, because we got a brand new one. It's not like we're gonna break the metal over the plastic. Just make sure you get all the pieces out, you know, you don't want them sitting in the truck. Oh, is there a bolt that holds it? There must be. Oh yeah. There's a screw right there. There's a screw up top too. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be taking the seat more apart. Okay, for sure. So we're gonna have to take out those. The headrest retainers, which that's not even hard. I'll show you guys how to do that right now. You just need a pair of needle nose. Maybe. See what I do without them. Yeah, you don't even need a pair of needle nose. Boom, there's one. So if you look at these things, there's just this little push pin on the side. Push that in, push it up. Push it in, push it up. Do it on this side. If you look up there, see, push it in, push it up. And then you can go to the front side and grab it. Oh. All right, got that out of there. No biggie, no biggie. Now we'll just force this up and over. Gotta be nice to it, guys. Don't rip them. Don't do nothing. And then, look, now I'll show you guys. Boom. Little bolt. Boom. Little bolt. Where is it at? Right there. All right, let me get some sockets and a wrench. I'll show you guys how. I'll just take bolt those and put the new one in. Let's get it. All right, guys, it's a 5.5 millimeter socket. Go ahead and then do that. Trying to do this one-handed. Should have brought an extension. Boom, got that out. Now let's see. You can see the little grooves. You look right in there, it got to lock into those grooves. Up top too, kind of tilt it, lock it in. Boom, like that. Go ahead and start your bolt. Maybe if it wants to start. Start your bottom one. All right, now that we got that little weight in, see, pop, 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 not loose. We're gonna put it all back together. Do this, see if we do that real quick. And when I took this thing apart, man, this thing was just laying here, so I need to see where this thing goes, because that's a blower motor right here. So as for the AC seats, probably for the bottom cushion. I honestly don't know why they didn't complain. No, that's not for the bottom cushion. Yeah, that is for the bottom cushion. All right, let's put it back together. Now remember, try not to stretch out your stuff too much. And you don't want to break anything. Rip nothing. Just do it nice and slow. Work it back over. These seat cushions ain't cheap. Not even cushions, seat covers. Especially this King Ranch leather. Woo-hoo. I don't even imagine how much that shit is. Just work it over, work it over. Let's see where we're at. We still got some ways to go. I'm gonna need to use both hands, so I'm gonna set you guys down. Let's see, like maybe right there or something. Hopefully all of them fall. See, and just work it back over. Make sure it's all the way. Then you can take your headrest things. See, make sure it's all the way over. You can lift it up. You guys want to make sure your foams are lining up on the sides. See all that? See how it's all lined up? And then you can stick your fingers through the headrest hole. You know, sticking them in a hole. And make sure that's lined up. Then you can stick these bad boys back in. Just push them through if it wants, maybe. There's one. And make sure you guys are putting them in back the right way too, because remember the button one was on this side, and like the one with not so like button ribbed. See how that one got ribs on it? This one is smooth. This one goes on this side. Push that back in there. Boom. All right, so when I was taking it apart, I undid these zippers. We undid these ones too. We need to hook those back up to the inside bar. They hook to this bar right here. So we're gonna hook those up. Can't show you guys that because my hand is under the cushion doing it. Same thing with the other side. Same thing, there's a bar on this side. You just hook them on. Boom, we're hooked there. Okay, if you remember, I took out this push pin, which we didn't end up having to take out. So I'm gonna put that back in. Boom, goes right there. Stick that back in there. There we go. And then, remember, these two pieces were Velcroed together. So we need to Velcro those back together. And then this piece. Let me take a look at what we need to do with that vent piece. This is all trash. We don't need this no more. Now, well, I guess it does just sit here, because if you look at that side, look, it's just in there too. All right, cool. Cool. Alright. So then after that, we just, our zippers, see our zippers right there? Pull them back down. See what I'm talking about? You slip, you gotta be careful not to scratch up the leather, man, because that shit is expensive. I like to walk it down side by side. You know, a little bit this side, a little bit that side. See? I'm just slipping right off of it. Try to be careful. Oh my God, come on, man. Alright, that one's done. And then the zipper's just tucked in the backside. I was trying to set up the camera and show you guys this, but this is a pain in the ass. Second side done. Oh, check that way. Boom. And then basically all that we got left, put these things back on like so. Boom. Boom. And then I took off this little thing, so we need to put that back up. Boom. Put their headrest back on. Call it a day. Boom, headrest in. Move the seat back. All right, guys, that is how you replace a seat counterweight in an F450 and above. I think the dualies, higher trimmer models, all have them in the passenger seat, just so when nobody's sitting in it, it doesn't rattle. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thank you for 1,000 views on the Ford Bronco video. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe.